Seniors, are painful leg cramps keeping you awake at night or making it hard to walk during the day? You don't have to suffer in silence. The foods you eat can make a huge difference. In today's video, you'll discover the top 3 foods that naturally fight cramps, improve circulation, and keep your legs strong after 60. Before we dive into these incredible foods, we'd love to know where you're joining us from today. Please feel free to share your location in the comments below, and don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have about these topics. Your input helps us connect and understand your needs better. And if you find this information valuable, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on future health-boosting insights from Health 365. Eggs, a powerhouse for muscle health and cramp prevention. Let's begin our journey with eggs, a truly remarkable food. Among the many nutrient-rich items that powerfully support muscle health, eggs truly stand out as a foundational source of essential vitamins and minerals. You might be wondering, how exactly do these humble eggs play such a crucial role in preventing leg cramps for older adults? Let's delve into this together and uncover their fascinating benefits. One of the leading causes of uncomfortable muscle cramps is simple muscle fatigue, and protein, found abundantly in eggs, is absolutely essential for both repairing and maintaining strong muscle tissue. As we gracefully age, many seniors naturally experience age-related muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia, which sadly increases our susceptibility to those unwelcome cramps and overall muscle weakness. The excellent news is that eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they generously provide all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Just a single large egg offers approximately 6 grams of this high-quality protein, which actively helps rebuild muscle fibers and significantly reduces muscle fatigue. By incorporating eggs into your regular diet, you're actively supporting enhanced muscle contraction efficiency, which can drastically reduce the frequency of those annoying cramps, ultimately boosting overall muscle strength and endurance and significantly lowering the likelihood of experiencing painful spasms. Beyond protein, how does the often overlooked vitamin D in eggs work to support robust calcium absorption and optimal muscle function? Vitamin D is absolutely critical for our body's ability to absorb calcium, which in turn is vital for proper muscle contraction. Without sufficient levels of vitamin D, muscle weakness, frequent cramps, and even chronic pain can unfortunately develop. Research consistently shows that seniors who experience vitamin D deficiency often report more frequent and much more severe leg cramps. The good news is that egg yolks naturally contain vitamin D, actively supporting both bone and muscle health. While exposure to sunlight is undoubtedly the best natural way to produce vitamin D, many older adults understandably spend less time outdoors, making dietary sources like eggs crucially important. Regular consumption of eggs can genuinely help seniors maintain optimal vitamin D levels, effectively reducing your risk of experiencing those bothersome cramps. You might then ask, can simply eating eggs regularly prevent vitamin D deficiency-related muscle cramps? While eggs certainly contribute, diet alone may not always be sufficient. One large egg contains about 40 IU of vitamin D, but the daily recommended intake for seniors is typically between 800 to 1,000 IU. To truly maximize your vitamin D intake, consider pairing eggs with fortified dairy products such as milk or yogurt, or with fatty fish like salmon or sardines. If your levels are particularly low, your doctor might also suggest a vitamin D supplement. Additionally, making an effort to spend some time outdoors when possible will further aid natural vitamin D synthesis. So, while eggs contribute significantly, combining them with other sources ensures better overall muscle and bone health, providing more robust protection against cramp episodes. Furthermore, vitamin B12 plays a direct and indispensable role in healthy nerve function. When your B12 levels are too low, nerve signals can become impaired, often leading to unpleasant muscle spasms, tingling sensations, and those notorious cramps. Eggs actively help protect your nerve health by providing B12, along with choline, both of which work synergistically to support the insulation of your nerves, the myelin sheath. This dual action improves the communication pathways between your muscles and nerves, ensuring smooth and coordinated muscle contraction and relaxation. Consuming eggs regularly also helps prevent neuropathy-related cramps, which are unfortunately common in individuals with diabetes and many seniors. By supporting nerve integrity, eating eggs helps reduce those misfired signals that so often lead to muscle cramps. So, are older adults more prone to muscle cramps if they have low B12 levels? And how exactly can eggs help with this? Yes, seniors are indeed more vulnerable to B12 deficiency due to several factors. A natural reduction in stomach acid production, which limits B12 absorption, common medications like metformin or acid reflux drugs that can deplete B12 levels, and sometimes a lower intake of animal-based foods due to dietary restrictions. B12 deficiency can manifest as frequent muscle cramps and overall weakness, nerve damage leading to burning, numb, or tingling sensations, and even anemia, which reduces the crucial oxygen supply to your muscles. Thankfully, eggs are a highly senior-friendly source of B12, being easily digestible and a simple, delicious way to help prevent these cramp-inducing deficiencies. While meats, fish, and dairy are also excellent B12 sources, eggs offer a lower-fat alternative to red meat, provide better digestibility for seniors who might have weaker digestive systems, and offer a rich combination of protein and various vitamins, not just B12. For vegetarians who consume dairy but avoid meat, eggs are one of the best ways to maintain healthy B12 levels. You might be concerned about cholesterol, so how many eggs per week should seniors comfortably consume to support muscle health without raising cholesterol concerns? Modern research now confirms that moderate egg consumption, typically around 6 to 7 eggs per week, is generally safe for most healthy individuals and does not significantly impact cholesterol levels in healthy seniors. For those with existing heart conditions or diagnosed high cholesterol, it's always wise to consult your doctor for personalized advice. However, replacing processed meats with eggs can often still be a heart-healthy choice. So, can eggs genuinely help reduce those annoying nocturnal leg cramps in seniors? Absolutely. Nocturnal leg cramps are frequently linked to poor muscle recovery, electrolyte imbalances, and nerve dysfunction. Since eggs provide a valuable combination of protein for muscle repair, B12 for nerve protection, and vitamin D and calcium for proper muscle function, incorporating eggs into an evening meal or even a hearty breakfast can help balance essential nutrients and support optimal overnight muscle recovery, significantly reducing those troublesome nighttime cramps. While eggs offer immense benefits, certain seniors may need to slightly adjust their egg intake based on specific health conditions. For example, seniors with kidney disease may need to limit protein intake and should definitely consult their doctor. Those with high cholesterol might choose to eat egg whites instead of whole eggs. Diabetics should pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains for better blood sugar control. However, for the vast majority of older adults, eggs are a highly beneficial food that supports muscle, nerve, and overall health. To truly maximize these benefits, seniors should aim to eat eggs regularly, around 6 to 7 per week. Pair them with other nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts, and importantly, stay well hydrated while maintaining a balanced electrolyte intake. For seniors looking to naturally reduce muscle cramps and improve their overall muscle health, eggs are a simple, accessible, and incredibly effective dietary addition. So the next time you're preparing breakfast, consider adding an egg to your plate. It truly is one of the best choices you can make for strong, happy muscles. Bananas, your sweet solution for muscle relaxation and cramp relief. Next, let's turn our attention to the beloved banana, a wonderfully sweet and incredibly versatile fruit. Potassium, an indispensable mineral, is vital for proper muscle contractions, effective nerve signaling, and maintaining healthy fluid balance throughout our bodies. When potassium levels drop too low, a condition known as hypokalemia, our muscles become far more prone to uncomfortable spasms and painful cramps. Thankfully, bananas stand out as one of nature's very best sources of potassium. A single medium banana contains approximately 420 milligrams of potassium, which accounts for about 12% of the recommended daily intake. By consistently helping to maintain proper potassium levels, bananas play a critical role in regulating smooth muscle contractions and preventing those unwelcome spasms, They ensure seamless nerve communication for precise muscle control and effectively balance fluid levels, thereby reducing cramps that are often related to dehydration. For seniors, simply enjoying 1 to 2 bananas daily can significantly help reduce the frequency and intensity of muscle cramps, bringing much-needed comfort. You might wonder what exactly happens when our potassium levels dip too low, and how does this directly contribute to muscle cramps? Potassium is instrumental in transmitting crucial electrical signals between our nerves and muscles. When potassium levels fall, our muscles become overly excitable, leading to frequent and painful cramping. Furthermore, nerve signals can become disrupted, significantly increasing the risk of involuntary muscle contractions. At a cellular level, cells lose their ability to balance fluids properly, often resulting in noticeable muscle stiffness. Studies consistently show that seniors are at a higher risk for potassium deficiency due to several factors: reduced appetite or generally poor dietary intake, side effects from certain medications, such as diuretics often prescribed for blood pressure, or even excessive sweating and dehydration. By thoughtfully including bananas in your daily diet, seniors can naturally replenish vital potassium levels and actively support normal, healthy muscle function, keeping those cramps at bay. But the benefits of bananas don't stop there. Magnesium is another crucially important mineral, essential for muscle relaxation and optimal nerve function. It diligently works to reduce muscle excitability, preventing sudden and uncomfortable cramps, and robustly supports ATP production, providing the necessary energy for strong muscle contractions. Moreover, magnesium actively regulates the delicate balance of calcium and potassium, both essential for proper muscle function. Each banana conveniently contains about 32 milliliters of magnesium, contributing significantly to preventing muscle tightness and spasms. Since many seniors typically don't get enough magnesium from their diets, eating bananas alongside other magnesium-rich foods like various nuts and leafy greens can be a powerful strategy to reduce muscle cramping and enhance overall recovery. When it comes to those notorious nocturnal leg cramps, those unwelcome spasms that often strike at night, they are frequently linked to electrolyte imbalances, specifically low potassium or magnesium, along with poor circulation and dehydration. Since bananas provide a winning combination of potassium, magnesium, and hydration-supporting carbohydrates, enjoying a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed may work wonders. This timing can help relax your muscles, significantly reducing cramp intensity, rebalance your electrolytes, preventing those nighttime spasms, and even support better sleep quality by alleviating muscle tension. Now, let's explore how the vitamin B6 found in bananas significantly contributes to vital nerve function and robust muscle recovery. Vitamin B6 is a cornerstone nutrient for a healthy nervous system. It plays a key role in regulating neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers that control muscle movements. It also works to reduce inflammation, helping your muscles recover more quickly after physical activity, and importantly, improves red blood cell production, ensuring your muscles receive oxygen efficiently for optimal performance. Each banana delivers approximately 0.4 milligram of vitamin B6, which is nearly 30% of the daily requirement for seniors. Research has consistently shown that low vitamin B6 levels can unfortunately lead to increased muscle cramping and spasms due to nerve dysfunction, higher levels of inflammation making muscles more prone to pain and stiffness, and reduced energy production, leading to muscle fatigue. A specific 2018 study even found that seniors with low vitamin B6 intake experienced more frequent leg cramps. Given that bananas provide such a natural and accessible source of vitamin B6, they are incredibly helpful in preventing nerve-related muscle issues. Beyond individual nutrients, bananas actively help restore both potassium and magnesium levels, effectively reducing electrolyte-related cramps. They provide natural sugars and water, promoting overall hydration and help balance sodium levels, which is absolutely crucial for coordinated muscle contraction and relaxation. For seniors, staying well hydrated and consuming electrolyte-rich foods like bananas are essential steps to keep muscles functioning smoothly and prevent those dreaded cramps. While bananas undoubtedly support hydration, they should always be paired with adequate plain water intake. If muscle cramps are primarily due to dehydration, drinking enough water is just as critically important as eating bananas. For the best results, Aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, and consider enjoying bananas with water or even coconut water, which also provides natural electrolytes. By consistently maintaining both fluid and electrolyte balance, seniors can confidently prevent dehydration-related muscle cramps and enjoy greater comfort. So, how many bananas should seniors realistically eat per day to help prevent leg cramps? The ideal intake can vary slightly based on individual needs, but generally, 1 banana per day provides a sufficient amount of potassium and magnesium to robustly support muscle health for most. Those who experience frequent and bothersome muscle cramps might benefit from 2 bananas per day. However, it's important to remember that bananas are naturally high in sugars. Therefore, seniors with diabetes should consume them in moderation, ideally alongside fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains, to help prevent rapid blood sugar spikes. Ultimately, for seniors experiencing frequent muscle cramps, simply incorporating 1 banana daily, consistently staying well hydrated, and maintaining an overall balanced diet can significantly improve muscle function and dramatically reduce cramp frequency, leading to a much more comfortable and active life. Nuts and seeds, tiny powerhouses for strong, cramp-free muscles. While potassium and magnesium-rich foods like bananas and leafy greens are already well-known allies in the fight against cramps, there's another incredibly powerful dietary addition that can profoundly improve your muscle health and prevent those unwelcome spasms: nuts and seeds. These tiny treasures are truly packed with an impressive array of magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats. Together, these nutrients work synergistically to support optimal muscle relaxation, improve circulation, and maintain essential electrolyte balance. Let's explore in detail how almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and various other nuts and seeds can help keep your muscles strong, supple, and delightfully cramp-free as you age. Many seniors unfortunately don't consume enough magnesium, which significantly makes them more prone to frequent and often very painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are truly some of the very best natural sources of this vital mineral, making them an exceptionally easy and delicious way to prevent cramps. To illustrate, consider the magnesium content per 1 ounce serving. Pumpkin seeds are particularly potent with 168 mg, providing about 40% of your daily needs. Almonds offer a healthy 77 mg, about 20% of daily needs, and cashews contain 74 mg, roughly 19% of your daily needs. By simply enjoying a small handful of nuts or seeds daily, you can actively help restore your magnesium levels, keeping your muscles wonderfully relaxed and healthy. While bananas are widely celebrated for their potassium content, many nuts and seeds are also excellent providers of this important mineral. For instance, a 1 ounce serving of pistachios boasts an impressive 290 milliliters of potassium, almonds provide 200 milliliters, and cashews offer around 160 milliliters. Electrolytes, like both magnesium and potassium, are continuously lost through sweat, so replenishing them regularly is absolutely essential for robust muscle recovery and effective cramp prevention. Why are nuts and seeds particularly great for restoring electrolytes? They are rich in both magnesium and potassium, providing comprehensive support for muscle recovery. They also contain healthy fats, which work to reduce muscle inflammation and supply valuable protein, aiding in crucial muscle repair. For seniors who experience cramps after any physical activity, enjoying a handful of nuts or simply adding seeds to your meals can be a wonderfully effective way to restore lost minerals and keep your muscles consistently cramp-free. Furthermore, the healthy fats present in nuts and seeds actively support robust blood flow. This improved circulation ensures that your muscles receive enough vital oxygen and crucial nutrients to function optimally. Specifically, omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in walnuts and flax seeds, effectively reduce muscle inflammation. Monounsaturated fats, found generously in almonds and cashews, also significantly improve overall circulation, further reducing your risk of cramps. Poor circulation in particular can cause painful leg cramps, especially bothersome at night. By consistently consuming nuts and seeds regularly, seniors can proactively improve their blood flow and significantly reduce the frequency of cramping episodes. You might wonder, can consuming nuts and seeds also help reduce the inflammation that contributes to muscle fatigue and cramping? The answer is a resounding yes. chronic inflammation can unfortunately damage muscle tissue, making seniors more prone to cramping and general soreness. Fortunately, nuts and seeds are packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that work to reduce oxidative stress within muscles, lower overall inflammation, allowing for faster and more efficient muscle recovery, and ultimately support long-term muscle health, preventing frequent cramps. For seniors dealing with chronic muscle pain or conditions like arthritis, consciously adding walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds to your diet can provide profound and natural anti-inflammatory benefits, enhancing your overall comfort. While nearly all nuts and seeds offer valuable nutrients, some are particularly beneficial for muscle health due to their especially high magnesium, potassium, and protein content. Among the best nuts and seeds for preventing leg cramps are pumpkin seeds, which are exceptionally high in magnesium with 168 milliliters per ounce. Almonds, a fantastic source of both magnesium and potassium. Pistachios, ranking as one of the very best nuts for potassium with 290 milliliters per ounce. Cashews, high in magnesium and healthy fats crucial for circulation. And walnuts, renowned for their rich omega-3 content, which significantly reduces muscle inflammation. For the best and most comprehensive results, seniors should aim to consume a diverse variety of nuts and seeds to truly benefit from the full spectrum of different muscle-supporting nutrients they offer. So, how many nuts and seeds should seniors consume daily to effectively prevent leg cramps? While nuts and seeds are incredibly nutritious, it's also true that they are calorie-dense, so thoughtful portion control is indeed important. A recommended intake is generally a small handful, about 1 ounce, of nuts per day, which is roughly 20 almonds, or 2 tablespoons of seeds. You can easily sprinkle seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds on your meals for added benefits throughout the day. What are the best times to enjoy nuts and seeds for optimal muscle health? Incorporating them with meals helps with nutrient absorption and electrolyte balance. Eating them before bed can effectively reduce nighttime leg cramps by keeping your muscles relaxed overnight. And consuming them after exercise helps restore lost electrolytes and significantly aids muscle recovery. By consistently consuming nuts and seeds in moderation, seniors can effectively prevent cramps while still maintaining a perfectly balanced and healthy diet. While nuts and seeds offer an abundance of incredible benefits, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Due to their high calorie content, overeating nuts can lead to unwanted weight gain, so portion control remains key. Avoid salted or highly processed nuts. The high sodium content in salted varieties can contribute to dehydration, which paradoxically increases your cramp risk. Always opt for unsalted, raw, or dry roasted nuts instead. Be mindful of allergies. Some individuals have nut allergies, so alternative sources of magnesium and potassium should be considered if this applies to you. Lastly, for those with sensitive digestion, nuts and seeds are rich in fiber, which may sometimes cause bloating or discomfort. The best solution is to choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted options and consume them in moderation to truly enjoy their maximum muscle health benefits without any side effects. For seniors looking to naturally reduce muscle cramps and significantly improve their overall comfort, eating a small handful of diverse nuts or adding a spoonful of seeds to meals daily can be an easy, delicious, and incredibly effective way to support robust muscle health. If you found this video helpful and informative, please show your support by clicking the like button. Your engagement truly helps us continue bringing you valuable content like this. We love hearing from our community, so please drop a comment below and share your thoughts, questions, or suggest what health topic you'd like us to cover next. And of course, to ensure you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.